Well, good morning there from an overcast, windless day in Auckland, New Zealand. It is a Thursday and the wind's blowing, I think, about 3 or 4 knots, and forecast to be variable for most of the day. So we'll go out there and see if we can catch a fish. I mean, why wouldn't you? Fish on! Fish on! Woo! So my name is Pierre. I'm a fisherman and a pensioner, and this week's video is sponsored by Top Catch Half Moon Bay. So if you want to get some bait or ice, or you need a bit of tackle, another lure, a couple of hooks, or another rod perhaps, or just for a bit of advice, pop into Top Catch Half Moon Bay, and as the doors open and you walk in there, say at the top of your voice, "Fish on!" and either Cliff or Trish will look after you. So thanks guys, thanks Top Catch Half Moon Bay for the sponsorship. So this is solo small boat fishing on a budget, and if that's something that interests you or might interest you, I ask you to consider subscribing and sticking around. It'd be nice to have you. Fish on! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Come on up! Look at that, some Kahawai. Putting up a fight. A little Kahawai, I think. Can't see colour yet. She's on down. There she's bobbing. Beautiful little Kahawai. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Beautiful. First fish of the day. I've got a good feeling about today, so first fish of the day will go back. Although he'd make it a good bait, I've got a good feeling about today. There's hundreds of birds here. Let's get out there again. Woo! Fish on! fish. Come on. He's a big fish. Got him. Got him. Monster. Got him. He's a big one. He's a big fish. Come on. Yeah, he's a big one. Beauty, 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 beauty. Come on up. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Fish on. Yeah, he's a beauty. So this is what you enjoy. Smash the like button and leave us a comment and hit the share button and share it with your mates on your socials. Come on up. This is a beauty. I might go that way now. Stay tight, stay tight. Yeah, he's giving up the fight. Gosh, but he put up a fight initially. I think we've got ourselves a decent bait for today. Come on up. Join the party, mate. God, he got off. Surely not. Surely not. Oh, yeah. Oh. All right, well, let's go again. There's fish on again. Straight away. Another one. Yep, he feels better. Fish on. Come on up. Oh yeah, he took a bit of fight. Here we go. Oh, I can see him jumping over there. Way back there, he's jumping. This is going to be a beautiful little kahawai. A little bit of bait. Still there, he stays on. Oh yeah, he's jumping. Perfect size. Perfect size. Fish on. Good workout for a start of the morning. He's gone again. Into the boat. Ah, he's inside. Get inside. Get in here. Get in here. What a beautiful fish. Look at that. Beautiful kahawai. Look at that. Isn't it just magnificent? He'll be bait. Right. So these guys next to me hooked a shark who was jumping out the water. Hooked a little shark. Watch it jumping. Watch it breaching. Look there. Look behind that boat. Look at them breaching. Quite a nice one, about a 2 meter. I've got some bait down and I've had a bit of activity. Bit of a nudge. Oh, I think that cleaned me out while I was filming that shark. It's gonna be one of those days. Yep, all gone. All right, time to concentrate. There's dolphins over here as well. I think Let me go over and see if we can catch them. Not catch them, there's a there. So over the last few episodes, couple of episodes, I've spoken extensively about this boat and the deal. This is the Haynes Hunter SF545, and earlier videos I've spoken a bit about the boat, so you can go back and have a look at that. And I've also spoken about the deal. So the deal is a subscription offer, and as I was saying, if you're thinking of buying a trailer boat, don't do that until you've had a look at this deal. Obviously there is a place for a trailer boat in the market. If you, for instance, you want to drag your boat to the west coast and go fishing over there, or to a different port to go fishing, or if you want to drag the boat to your batch at the Nui on your holidays, and so there's a place in the market for a trailer boat. But if you're going to fish on the east coast or anywhere in the Hauraki Gulf, the wider Gulf area, around this sort of area, this is probably a deal worth looking at. You can also compare the cost of this to the cost of a new trailer boat if you want to. Have a look at this. So these boats are owned by a company called Skipperai, and their website is www.skipperai.co.nz. Go and have a look at this website. The deal is there's a one-off entry fee or joining fee of $499 up front, and then you can get the Monday to Friday deal, which I've done, or you can get the 7-day, the weekend deal. The Monday to Friday deal is $369 a month, all told, which includes insurance, Coast Guard membership, repairs, maintenance, berthage. These boats are on the wharf, all taken care of. Maintenance, anything, it's all done. And that's a pretty good deal. That works out about $85 a week, so very attractive. If you are not a retired person or a pensioner like myself, and you are still feeding the economy, and by the way, thank you for that, and you need to take the Monday to Sunday deal, the include weekends for your fishing or your outings, that deal is $619 a month, which works out about $143 a week. So still an extremely attractive deal. So if you're interested, you can go and have a look at the website, and if you want to sign up, and you're a subscriber of mine, use the code PIER, my name, put that in the code at your checkout, and because you're a subscriber of mine, we'll void the $499 entry fee, so you can save yourself $500 by signing up through my YouTube channel. So consider it, go and have a look at it, and by all means comment or let me know, ask me any questions on it. I can explain to you a bit further. From those dolphins, come back to where the birds are, and I've got a fresh bait down, and quite deep water, probably 20 something meters water, and we've got something on here. Fish on! What a beauty. First snapper. We had a couple of kahawai, and here is our first snapper of the day. So we'll let Rodney hold a fish over there while I just get a little bit sun smart. Although it's overcast today. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Fish on. Woo, 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 woo. Woo. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Take him on. Oh yeah. Fish on. Come on up. Beautiful snapper. Not a bad size. Getting up there. Oh, so he's a 50. We'll send him back. Yeah, we're on. We're on. Fish on. Oh yeah. There's a snap, all right. He's bobbing. Beautiful little snapper. We'll let him go. Off you go. Fish on! Come on up. I've got the spray line out on that rod. And, oh, little snapper. Fish on! Fish on! Woo! Oh no, he's gone. He's gone. There's a bit of action there. And oh no, he's back. And he's taking line, he's taking line. Yeah, I don't think that's a snapper. I don't think that's a snapper. Guys, that's not a snapper. And it's taken. Got off. Whatever he was, he's gone. Gosh, he went miles. I don't think it was a snapper. He went too far. That's a good sign. Well, the battery died as I was bringing that guy in, and as luck will have it, I lost him anyway, bust off. But it wasn't a snapper. It was a pretty large fish. It wasn't a snapper, maybe a kahawai or a, don't think it was a kingy. There's a bit of action now, so we'll see how we go. Stay on. Fish on! Woo! Oh no, he's gone. Oh no, he's there. Here we go. Not a big one, but anyway. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Stay on. Fish on. Gosh, it's hard work. We're taking the bait, but it's hard work to hook them. I think this one's on, hooked. Yeah, got him. Oh yeah, it won't be a keeper, but they're getting bigger and they're looking healthy. Yeah, fish on. Straight away as we went down again. Stay on. That feels better. Yep. Good strike. Gosh, it's only a matter of time before we get that donkey. Gosh, I'm busy putting one down and the other one's got, there's a fish on there. Stay on. Oh, yep. Let me close that. Put that in there. Put that in there. Put that in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Fish on. Woo! Fish on. Yeah. Yeah, he doesn't feel like a big one, but he's there. Oh, yeah, one of those. Fish on. Oh, yeah. Sigh, sigh, sigh. Oh, there's a fish on there. Just as I sat down for a bit of gentleman fishing, I took it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That feels good. Ah, gosh. Fish on! Woo! What have we got there? Oh, okay. Gosh. I think we've got a fish on here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, fish on. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, you put up a fight. Let's go down again. Oh, there's fish there. Let's get that down. Fish on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Fish on, yes! Come on up. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on. Oh, he feels half decent. Let's see what we got here. Oh, he's given up the fight. He's got tired. Oh no, not a very big one. Oh dear. Sometimes I look back on my life and I'm seriously impressed that I'm still alive. Well, there we go. What a glorious day on the water. Fantastic day. Lots of fish, good fishing. If you guys, thanks to you guys for coming along and sharing it. And if you enjoyed it, smash the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, I ask you to consider subscribing. It is free. You don't get spam or any other contact, and it's anonymous to me anyway. I just need my numbers to get up. So if you're not subscribed yet, I ask you to consider subscribing. And other than that, I suppose we'll catch you next week.